Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through Python float operation. Every section line by line, nice and quick. Let's get started. So first coming to the cell number 1. So here x and y is equal to 12.5 and 3.2. Means x is equal to 12.5 and y is equal to 3.2. So both are floats, meaning numbers with decimal points. These two values are used throughout all this example below. Now if I run, okay, so that will give initial value x is equal to 12.5 and y is equal to 3.2. Now here we will do arithmetic operation. So same as the integer, but here we will get some floats. Now here for plus, so two float will be added, so x plus y. So x here is 12.5 plus y is here 3.2. so after adding, so we'll get the result like 15.7. Similarly x minus y, so that will give 9.3. so both are that float. Now multiplication, so x into y, so that will multiply and again it will give float. And division, that is regular division, okay, so that will give again float 3.90625. and then here the float division drops the decimal, but result is still float. So you can see that is 3.0, that is float. Okay, so it will not be integer, but it is still float. Then modulus, that we will use that percentage sign. Okay, so that x percent y, so that will give that large floating number. So that will 2.8999 something, big number. Then exponential, we can calculate x double y, so that will give this number. Okay, similar as integer, so here we will get the float. Now comparison operation. Okay, so here again some here 6 comparison operation as integer, always return first one, that true and false. Okay, so now here x is equal to y, so that is x equal to y, so that will return actually y. Means suppose here 12.5 is equal to 3.2, so that is actually false. Okay, and this is, and second one is 12.5 not is equal to y, so that is actually true. So you can see that. So first false, then true, and then x greater than y, so again that is true, and then x less than y, so again false. Okay, x greater than equal to y is true, and then false, means it will give true and false. Now assignment operator. Okay, so here all this shortcut, that plus, so actually what will happen, so originally z is assigned as 5.5, so z plus means z is equal to z plus 2.5. okay, so that will again that z will change like integer. So you can see here, so value first z is equal to 5.5, then z plus 2.5 means 5.5 plus 2.5, okay, that is 8.0. then z minus is equal to 1.2, so that means z is equal to z minus 1.2. so earlier it was 8.0, now minus 1.2, that is 6.8. so like that we'll get all this. Okay, so we'll get all this result. Now finally if I use some inbuilt function, so here we have to import math function. So here we have to use math function. So using math function we can do that. So here absolute minus 7.3, so that will again, if I run that, so it will give 7.3, and then print round this 12.567 means it is round 2 decimal place, so that will give 12.57. okay, so then math, so smallest integer greater than equal to value. So here so math cell 12.1, so that will give, so 12. okay, so here smallest integer greater than value, so that will get that. Like here we can also calculate square root, that power, divide mode, same thing we did in that earlier means in that integer, when we did the integer operation, similar things we'll get, but here we'll get the float. So I think that's it about that float. So I hope you like this video. So if you will get something from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you.